Welcome back, fellow stackers. Silver Gold Man here. Today's date, Friday, July 24th, 2015. Okay, big heads up here, folks. I'm having these live shows every night. I took a night off last night, but I received a few emails because many of you came, I guess, directly to my YouTube channel to see if the show was on. I had left the show up there, however, I'd marked cancelled in between here and letting you all know it was taking place this evening. Now, I also received a few other emails where people are mentioning that they come see my YouTube channel once and it looks like this, except with the canceled, and they came back another time and the show wasn't even showing up. And I had like three or four different emails just on that topic alone. There's a lot of funny business going on. I don't know what to say. Even myself, I've mentioned it several times. When I come see my YouTube channel, it looks different from time to time. I don't understand why. Yeah, I'll be getting into this. I'll add a little bit of this to this stuff here. So if you haven't seen, go check this video out here. What happened to this gentleman? Befriended, defrauded, yeah, and then now they're all backing out of it. Well, they're caught, red-handed caught, really big time. I got more information as to the guy. He wasn't an ex-hedge fund manager. He was a plasterer. That's right. Renovations in homes, plasterer. Anyways, so this is what it looks like, my YouTube channel, if you're not subscribed to me. However, it says here, if I go right here and I go to returning subscriber, you'll notice that this is the way it looks if you're a subscriber of mine. They're almost identical. So, what's happening? I don't know. All I know is that sometimes when you come out here, these shows aren't showing up. So I got a remedy. I've said this many times. So if you join me for the show tonight, I'm going to get into some latest breaking news here, folks. It's just like I was telling you. Watch out. It's a snowball effect. I got a whole bunch of stories for you that I picked up starting from yesterday's show. Carries on right into today. I did a little more digging. It's like perfect timing. Same thing if you're the guy who was asking me about pizza, that stock, Apple, the big warning on Apple. I nailed that one right. And again today, another low in precious metals. Anyways, that's all for tonight. I'll be speaking about this debt clock again, the baby boomer bubble bust that's coming up. And yes, sir, Bobs, it's all tying in hand. They know what's going on, and it's about you. It's about time you find out what's going on, right? Because no one's going to connect the dots like I do. I don't know if you guys realize that. No one makes these type of economic videos like I do. No one has the insight like I do. Well, maybe they do, but they're going to charge you for it, and that's what you're going to find out about tonight's show. If in case you didn't notice, here is this summer boot camp. I mentioned this here a little while back. Several of you have had an opportunity during my live show, so you know there's nothing set up here. I scalped the Forex live for what, 2.5 hours, 3 hours that one night? Many of you got to see me where I identify these squeeze and pop. Many of you are interested. Someone's already sent me money for it. He said, I'll take that $350 opportunity right now. And if you want to know more about that, I'll be speaking about that at the end of tonight's show, because there's a lot of people that showed interest, even over Connecting Dots 2 and Connecting Dots 3. What can I say? I don't want to make money off my traders. I want to make money trading. So the room is just to cover my costs. Actually, it's somebody else, the website's in somebody else's name that I have to pay. But regardless, what matters is that I don't want to charge the $350 per month that all these other websites are charging. I decided that doesn't make any sense. You know, when I was looking to get into it myself back in 2014 to get educated, I'm like, whoa, hold on. For one thing, even the information I'm going to pass to you guys so you can educate yourself on reading the different indicators, and I'll be there to coach you along if you're stuck. Yeah, there's no problem. Don't worry. It's all in video format. That's the best of it. You won't have to spend hours reading. You can spend, watching these 15-minute videos, taking a break whenever you want. They'll all be in sectors too, so you'll spend one time, 1 or 2 or 3, 4 days on the RSI, MACD, yada yada yada, 15-minute pullback, all these different terms I've been mentioning. Anyways, what's important is many of you got to see me do it live. There's no BS. I couldn't play with the Forex when I'm doing it live. Everyone, it's broadcasting. There's no, so it's not bullshit. I've trained myself. I'm a high school dropout. It took me roughly a month and a half, even less, to be able to do this scalping. You'll be doing it way before I do. So that's what the summer boot camp's all about. I'll be sharing with you the information so you can do it, and you can also join this trade room, not at $350 to $1,000 a month. $350 to $450 a year. That's it. That's all. We're going to be sharing our information together, and a lot of it is scanning stocks. So you're going to be learning about how to scan stocks. The more of us are out there scanning different stocks, the more possibilities we have of making money. You understand that? When it's just one guy doing the scanning, it's a lot tougher. But as you get educated and you stay in the room, the trade room, you'll be able to help others. Hey guys, look, I notified this one here. So if you're the guy that was listening to me asking me about pizza, well, watch out. I don't know if you saw your stock, but I nailed it again. Boom, she's off. Anyways, here's where you can join the live shows. I've mentioned before, I have this forum here that's run for me, and you'll be able to post you'll be able to join the nightly shows right here. They're all posted incrementally, one after another. Okay, so you'll have to scroll on down to the bottom of the thread, and every night before the show starts, I will try to add more information. I mean, a new link, I should say, to the most recent show. So that's where I am right now. Okay, July 24th. It's not on right now, but just even though it says live, please stand by. It's because I'm not ready to go yet. So yeah, the show's playing here at the Silver Gold Man, but many people have complained they can't find the show. So you may have to come back. You can see here I'm starting in 4 hours and 6 minutes. If you can't find it at the Silver Gold Man, well, you have the option of coming over here to connectingdots1.com and watching the show there, because it's broadcasted live every night at both locations. Okay, see you later on. What times? Well, same as usual, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Be there or be square, and yeah, hot day in the markets, and next week, oh,